All right now, everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following, you know we got a big cherry dump back here. There's 7 cherry logs. There's 3 big ones behind my log splitter back there, if you can see that, and a little row of about 4 here, and then I got a bunch of walnut I'm gonna have to get to eventually as well. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Just a quick little bucking video. I'm going to get this wood all ready to go and ready to split up. I've been out here for quite some time splitting wood already today, so I just want to make sure I get going on this cherry because they called and they left it here special for me. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and especially go watch some videos. Put on a playlist and leave and go walk the dog or cook dinner or something. And I need the video views more than the subscriptions right now. So watch some videos, and we're going to split this stuff up. So I'll be right back, and we'll be bucking some wood. All right now, everybody, there's some mud on this piece right here, of course, right at about 16 inches. And there's more mud than you realize. It gets in there pretty good. But anyways, hopefully I rolled the log over and kind of tried to wipe it off. So here we go. Anyways, I'm ready to get this wood bucked up and get on with my day here now. So let's get on it. Now, well, this is why that cherry tree was cut down. You can see how the stump looks, and there is a lot of water in that tree. I hit a big old juicy turd in there. The chainsaw started spitting out juicy turds on me right there. So you can see over here how wet it is in that tree. It's soaking wet in there, water running out of there, and there's probably a few ants in there, it looks like, as well. So I'm going to be about done with that unless I just get desperate for some cherry later this winter or something. I could try to cut that up. There's a little bit of wood around the outside of that. There's still wood in there. I'm not going to mess with it anymore right now. I got all this other wood to deal with right now. So onward we go. Let's move on to this next nice straight piece of hardwood here. That's some good hardwood. Here we go. Alright everybody, I got that wood bucked up. Took me about 3 tanks of gas there, quite a bit. So now I want to roll it and move it into my area over here and get it ready for the splitter where I can split it and then throw it right on the stacking pile without having to touch it much more. So while it's in a round form and it rolls better, let's roll it on down the line and get it over here in my area, and that way also hopefully nobody else will take it again. So here we go. So let's start rolling this stuff around. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. That was a lot of hard work. We're going to be splitting up a lot of cherry in the next few videos. You can see all that wood. It was about 3 tanks of gas. I don't know, probably a couple cords of cherry I gotta get through, and it's still probably going to have to be noodled or split in half at the log splitter, but I got it all over here close to my wood pile. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.